What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to talk to you about fixing bad mic quality in Discord. So bad mic quality could be because of a few things. Discord is not picking up your voice enough. Discord is picking up too many things in the background and it's messing with your voice. Or, well, actually it's pretty much just those things. Or you just have a bad microphone, which we can't really fix that, but we'll make the best with what we got here because Discord actually offers you a good amount of options you can mess with, and I'm going to go through that today. So let me just close that and get to this option screen so I can show you how to get here. So you're going to want to go to the bottom right here under user settings and then go to voice and video and then scroll down and we'll see input profile, and there's three options here. So voice isolation is the most aggressive option you can put on. Discord will just isolate any noise that's not your voice. It'll decide how sensitive the mic will be, so what counts as your voice and what other sound doesn't count as your voice. So maybe you'll have to talk loud for Discord to count it as your voice and for it to actually play it through your mic. You never know. It's kind of just like letting Discord handle all that. I don't recommend turning this on. I mean, if you're using it and it works well, like obviously just use it, but that's not why you're here on this video, right? You're having some issues with your mic on Discord, so definitely don't turn this on. Studio mode, turn this on only if you have like a very quiet environment around you, and that also means not having your mic near your head or your mouse and your keyboard, because if you have it near both, then you'll be hearing clicks and keyboard things. And studio mode just means all audio goes into Discord. There's no noise canceling at all, so it'll play like anything that's going on in your room pretty much. If you have like a headset that's near your mouth, then probably clicking and going on your keyboard is fine. It's not a big deal. But if you have like a Yeti mic on your desk that's right next to your mouse, studio mode is going to be a problem, you know? So these two are kind of like generic, which is why I recommend doing custom mode here. And our first option under custom mode is automatically adjust input sensitivity. So this lets Discord basically determine how loud your voice has to be for it to pick it up. So if you just turn this on, it's automatically handled by Discord. But if we turn this off, basically this means that the more you drag this up, the louder you have to talk for Discord for it to count as your voice. See, my voice right now is in the yellow, so Discord actually wouldn't be playing my voice to my friends right now. It wouldn't be my mic wouldn't be lighting up at all, and it wouldn't count. So I'd have to talk this loud. Sorry, I broke your eardrums there. Even then, it still didn't count. But if you drag this further down, Discord will be less and less strict with what will count as your voice. But you also have to be careful because it'll pick up more background noise this way too. So, you know, you drag this further down, you don't have to talk as loud for Discord to pick up your voice, but hey, maybe that's your problem. So just try dragging this one down all the way, and this may actually help you a lot. You know, maybe you'll be talking and Discord won't be playing your mic and you'll be like, hey, why isn't it doing it? This is why. So just drag this down. You don't have to let Discord automatically handle this, and give that a shot. Next thing we can do, noise suppression. So if you have it on standard mode, this is built into Discord. This is the easiest on your CPU. It's not as strict, so I do recommend trying this out. If you're like near your keyboard or your mouse, just try on some basic noise suppression. If this works, fine, great. If not, try putting it on none. Again, you may notice all sounds from your room playing through your mic, so if someone's coming up to talk to you, it may play through your mic, but if your mic has like a quick mute button, that might be fine with you. Or, you know, like you're clicking and clacking on your keyboard, your mic may start picking that up. So that's one thing about none. You may be asking, what's with this crisp mode? Crisp actually is like an AI powered one. It's heavier on your CPU and it's way more strict too. So sometimes it may be actually cutting some of your voice out or making it sound a little robotic, but it's trying to aggressively take out like all the sound in your area. So if you're in a very noisy environment, try crisp out. It'll do a great job suppressing all of that and just playing your voice. So there's like options here, right? I'm not in a super noisy environment, but my keyboard is kind of loud, so that's why I put it on standard here. And yeah, that's pretty much the settings we want here. We have echo cancellation, definitely turn that on. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want that one on. And that's pretty much it, guys. So those are the settings you can play with to improve bad mic quality. And we could also just do a mic test after. So you can see 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's picking up my mic here. Everything's good. This is a great sign. If this isn't lighting up, then it's not picking up your mic, and you'll have to mess with it some more. So you may have to go into Windows settings and make sure your microphone is selected. And obviously make sure your microphone is selected up here in Discord as well. So I'm using my Windows default, which is my Blue Yeti microphone plugged into my computer right now. But there's also another option, which is a high definition audio device. That's my headset mic, which is muted right now. So it's picking my Blue Yeti. Make sure it's also picked here. Because if it's not even like moving here, or if it's not lighting up in mic test, then you haven't picked the right microphone. Alright guys, that's enough rambling. Drop any questions you got in the comments. It's how to fix bad Discord mic quality, and also how to fix Discord not picking up your mic at all. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.